Arnett Garden Don shot and succumbed to his injuries. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man who residents said to be the Don of Top Jungle in Arnett Garden, St. Andrew, was shot dead by gunmen in the community on Saturday evening. The dead man has been identified as Damani Taylor, otherwise called Hutchie, was shot and succumbed to his injuries in a section of the community known as Back Wall. The police have confirmed the incident, but up to the publication of this report, they still were on the scene conducting their investigation. However, several residents told reporters that the Don was marked for death after he started moving shaky. According to the residents, Hutchie had been making some questionable decisions in the community and had been disrespecting community elders who were well-respected figures in the community. Things came to a head earlier this week when he ordered the beating of one of those community elders, residents claim. This was reportedly the final nail in his coffin, as his own men decided to take him out, the residents shared. Arnett Gardens have been unstable up till a few months ago, but residents are adamant that there would be no fallout from the killing and guarantee that there would be no war in the community and none will erupt because of the incident. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.